Alright, so for today's video, here is the before of my refrigerator, and it's pretty gross and there's stuff spilled in it, so I'm gonna clean this up. And then I'm also just waiting on a grocery order, so I'm gonna get this done while I wait on that.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn out sweater.
right, the groceries are here, so I'm just gonna start unloading stuff. I unloaded the frozen stuff first, and I used to have some like organizing bins in my freezer, and I took them out, but I decided that I'm gonna put them back in. So here I'm just kind of seeing how many bins I'm gonna need and which things I'm gonna put in it, and then I'm gonna make some labels, and you'll see me label all the freezer bins in a little bit.
They keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how.
Okay, I use these cereal containers to pour all of my kids' snacks into, and I really like it for a couple of reasons. This way, nothing gets lost in the back of the cupboard, and we don't have like just a few stale crackers back there. But I also like it because with the lids like this, they can only pour out just like a little bit at a time, so they don't end up like accidentally spilling an entire thing of cereal or crackers all over the floor, which is great because I have a 2-year-old and he would love to do that.
Stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Oh, oh, oh. Two different minds. We're not the ones who hide.
Okay, here is the after shot of the freezer, and I love the way that it turned out. I can find everything so easily now. It looks so organized. I also like to pour my condiments into these glass bottles. It just looks a lot nicer, and I like the way that they fit into the fridge door this way.
You, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. We do this every day, we do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know.
Alright, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this type of video, then subscribe to my channel because I have a lot more videos similar to this one coming up soon.
You can understand how you make me feel.